Imagine lounging on a sun-drenched Caribbean beach, sipping a coconut drink, and knowing you didn't have to break the bank to get there. Sounds like a dream? It's not. Welcome to the ultimate 2024 guide to exploring the Caribbean on a budget. This isn't about skimping on fun, it's about maximizing every dollar for an unforgettable tropical experience. This guide will show you how to enjoy the vast beauty of the Caribbean islands without the hefty price tag that often comes with it. Traveling to the Caribbean seems inherently luxurious and, by default, expensive. This perception stops many from even considering the islands as a potential budget destination. This section will debunk those myths and set a solid foundation for affordable travel strategies in the Caribbean. We'll explore common misconceptions, introduce the concept of budget travel in this region, and outline what you can expect from this guide. Ready to change your view? Let's go. Timing is everything, especially when it comes to budget travel. Planning your Caribbean getaway can significantly impact costs. This section discusses the importance of advanced planning and identifies the best times to visit the Caribbean to enjoy lower prices and fewer crowds. Knowing when and how to book can be as crucial as where you go. Let's get you set up for success from the get-go. Not all Caribbean islands are created equal, especially when it comes to your budget. While some islands cater to luxury seekers and have the price tags to match, others are surprisingly affordable and yet equally beautiful. This part discusses islands like Dominica, Grenada, and the lesser-known parts of Jamaica, which offer significant savings without compromising on the tropical experience. We'll dive into what makes these destinations cost-effective, and how you can enjoy their unique offerings without splurging. Ready to discover where you can stretch your dollars the furthest under the Caribbean sun? Saving on accommodation can really help manage your budget while traveling. Accommodation often eats up a sizable chunk of travel budgets. However, the Caribbean hosts a range of budget-friendly options that don't skimp on charm or comfort. From hostels and guest houses to affordable beachfront cottages, we explore how choosing the right place to stay can save you a fortune. We'll also touch on strategies like booking during shoulder seasons, using price comparison tools, and considering room sharing. Let's find you a cozy, cost-effective place to call home during your island getaway. Economical eating is key in keeping your travel costs down. Dining in the Caribbean doesn't have to be an extravagant affair. In fact, some of the best food experiences are found in local markets and roadside stands. This section provides tips on how to eat well on a budget, including where to find cheap eats and how to indulge in authentic Caribbean cuisine without the hefty price tag. By embracing street food and small local eateries, not only do you save money, but you also get a taste of real island culture. Let's dig into the culinary delights that won't dig into your wallet. Affordable transportation is crucial for budget travel. Getting around the islands can be surprisingly affordable if you know the local hacks. This part discusses how to save on transportation by using local buses, shared taxis, and even bikes. We'll compare the costs and benefits of various transportation methods across different islands. Understanding the local transportation system can not only save you money, but also add an adventurous element to your travel. Ready to ride like a local? Let's find out how. The Caribbean is a treasure trove of activities that don't cost a dime. From stunning hikes through tropical forests to days spent lounging on secluded beaches, we outline the best free and cheap things to do. This section encourages travelers to explore beyond the paid excursions and discover the natural beauty and cultural richness of the islands. Whether it's snorkeling on a public beach or attending a local festival, there are countless ways to enrich your travel experience without spending much. Let's explore what you can do for less. Engaging with locals isn't just a rewarding experience, it can also be a major budget saver. This part discusses how local insights can lead to discovering affordable hidden gems and activities. We talk about the benefits of local guided tours, home-cooked meals, and even homestays. By integrating into the local community, you not only gain a richer travel experience but also find ways to cut costs significantly. Ready to mingle? Let's connect you to the heart of Caribbean culture. Travel packages and deals can sometimes offer significant savings, especially when booked in advance or during off-peak seasons. This section provides tips on how to scout for the best travel packages, including all-inclusive options that might be budget-friendly. We'll also discuss the importance of reading the fine print and comparing offers to ensure you're truly getting a good deal. Let's package your dream Caribbean trip without the nightmare of overspending. Tourist traps are notorious for inflating prices and diminishing the authenticity of your travel experience. This part identifies common tourist traps in the Caribbean and provides strategies to avoid them. We discuss how to spot overpriced services and recommend alternatives that offer better value and more genuine experiences. Armed with this knowledge, you can navigate the islands like a seasoned traveler, not a tourist. Let's keep your travel both authentic and affordable. Travel insurance is a crucial aspect of any travel budget, especially in unfamiliar territories. This section discusses how to choose the right travel insurance that covers all necessary aspects without being costly. We also touch on general safety tips to ensure a worry-free Caribbean adventure. Understanding your insurance options and how to stay safe can prevent unexpected costs and troubles. Let's secure your trip in more ways than one. In the digital age, technology can be a powerful tool in planning and saving on travel. This part highlights essential apps and websites that can help you budget, plan routes, find deals, and even translate languages. From travel planners to currency converters, we cover the must-have digital tools for any budget traveler. Let technology take the hassle out of travel planning and budgeting. Ready to tech up your travel game? The time of year you choose to visit the Caribbean can dramatically affect both cost and experience. This section discusses the best seasons for budget travel, taking into account weather patterns, tourist influx, and seasonal price variations. Understanding the seasonal dynamics of Caribbean travel can help you choose the perfect time for an affordable vacation. Let's pick the best season for your budget-friendly adventure. Traveling solo can be one of the most rewarding ways to explore the Caribbean, but it also comes with unique budget considerations. This part offers tailored advice for solo travelers looking to save money without compromising on the experience. From safety tips to socializing on a budget, we cover everything you need to know about solo travel in the Caribbean. Ready to embark on a solo adventure? Traveling with family presents its own set of challenges and opportunities for budget travel. This part provides strategies for affordable family trips, including accommodations, meals, and activities that are fun for all ages. We'll help you plan a family vacation that's enjoyable and economical. Let's make unforgettable family memories without overspending. Sustainable travel is not only about being environmentally conscious, but also about making cost-effective choices. This section discusses how sustainable travel practices can save you money and make your trip more meaningful. From choosing eco-friendly accommodations to participating in local conservation efforts, we explore how budget travel can also be green travel. Ready to travel sustainably and save? Packing appropriately can prevent unnecessary purchases during your trip. This part outlines the essential items to bring to the Caribbean to avoid overpacking or underpacking, focusing on versatile and necessary items. Let's pack smart and save space, weight, and money. What are the must-haves for a Caribbean adventure? Let's dive in. We've covered a comprehensive range of strategies and tips to help you enjoy the Caribbean without a lavish budget. This concluding section summarizes the key points and provides final advice to ensure your travel is as budget-friendly as it is thrilling. Remember, the Caribbean is accessible to every traveler, and with the right planning, you can enjoy all its splendors without compromising your finances. Happy travels, and let's make that Caribbean dream a reality on a budget.